Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to create line and clustered column chart in Power BI. So for this, we will go in Power BI. To create any new chart in Power BI, make sure that you click on the white portion of this canvas. Now, activate the line and clustered column chart. In x-axis, select the category. In column y-axis, select the sales. In line y-axis, select the profit. In column legend, select the segment, and in small multiples, select region. So in column legend, normally we select the categorical data. In small multiples, we select the categorical data. In line y-axis, the continuous data. Column y-axis, continuous data. In x-axis, it is a categorical data. Now activate the focus mode. So you can see the chart is ready. Now we will format this visual. So format your visual. Two settings we have to do, visual settings and the general settings. Click on x-axis. If I increase this number, the font size will increase. I can change the font type also from here. I can make it bold, italic, underline. The color can also be changed. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous videos to understand the flow of this tutorial. Activate the title. If I want to give any title, just write down and the title will appear on the x-axis. You can change the color of this title. At any moment of time, if you want to reset to the default setting, just press on reset to default and it is done. Activate the y-axis. Just see here, if I change this, what are changes which will appear here? Just see. Invert the range, shared y-axis. At present, this numbers are shared with this charts. If I off it, these numbers will appear in the center also. Values. We can change the color of this fonts. The display units can be changed. It is in thousands. We can convert it into millions. The decimal places can be changed. We can switch excess position. Sum of profit is here and sum of sales is here. Just switch it. Switch excess on. Just see. Now sum of sales will appear here and sum of profit will appear here. Activate the title. So if I want something on y-axis, then we can write here. It will appear on y-axis. Moreover, the font type, the font color, the font size can also be changed. Let's activate the secondary y-axis. Again, we can change its minimum and maximum range. Align zeros on or off. Do you want to align zeros or not? Values. Let's change the color. See, the color has changed of the 0, 20K, 40K. Let's take the another color. The display unit is in thousands. You can change it to millions, trillions, or billions. Do you want to give any title? If yes, write it down here and the title will appear. Activate the legend. So at present, the legend is on top left. We can bring it at top center. Marker circle default. So the style is marker circle default. You can have marker. See, it has changed. Or line and markers. So at present, keep it marker circle default. Do you want to match the line color? Means the legends and the line color. Should it match? If yes, then keep it on. If no, off it. Text. So the legends are in black color. Do you want to change it or not? So let's pick up the another color. Let's pick up blue color and see it has changed. We will increase or decrease the font size. Title. It is written segment. We can convert this thing and make it segment wise. So you can see that it has changed. Small multiples. So the layout is 2 by 2. I can convert it into 3 by 3, 1 by 3, or 3 by 1. So depending upon your requirement, how many charts you want to include, you can change the settings. Now by increasing this number, the white space in the charts will increase. This is known as padding. Customized padding can also be activated. Border. So it is this border which we are talking about. If you require on all the four sides, activate all. See, it has appeared on all four sides. Solid line. Let's convert this thing into dotted. And line color should be blue. Increase the line width. Title. So central, east, west, south. It is at top position. You can take it on bottom. Center align. The font color is black. You can change this color also. The color has changed. Do you require text wrapping on or off? So to understand this, I'll click again on back to report. This is, uh, if I activate this text wrapping, right? If the text is not able to appear here, sorry, central, east, west, and south. If the text is not able to appear here, so you activate text wrapping, the text will be wrapped off. Again, activate the focus mode. Background. It is related to uh, the multiples, right? So we will select some color here, and now these multiples are in yellow color. We don't require such dark color. Make it a little bit lighter. Fine. Activate the grid lines. This is this dotted lines. We don't require that also. Off it. Columns. The colors of all these bars can be changed by individually selecting each category, that is consumer, corporate, home office. Spacing. By increasing this number, the white space in the chart will increase. Lines. So this is a solid line. Do you want to change it? You can make it dashed. Stroke width can be adjusted. Do you require linear, smooth, or step? We want a step line. Colors. The color of the line can be changed. Let us make it black. Done. Markers. Do I require a markers here? On it. So the round markers will have appeared. You can use this marker, cross. Color. Let's change the color of this marker and use the color and increase the size of this marker. Done. Data labels. Do we require it? Yes. So the data labels have appeared. The orientation of the data labels can be changed. You can make it horizontal or vertical. So at present, what I feel is horizontal is appropriate. Keep it horizontal only. Position of the line above or under or auto. Values. The values can be changed, can be increased or decreased. The color of this can be changed. Display unit is in thousands. You can convert it into millions. The decimal places can be changed. Background. Do we require a background? So just see what happens if I select the background, right? So the background at present is not necessary, and therefore we will switch it off. Let's activate the series label on it. So sum of profit has appeared. If we don't require, then switch it off. The maximum width is automatic. You can change it. See, if I increase the width, what happens? The sum of profit series position, it is on right hand side. You can take it on left hand side also. values. You can increase or decrease. That is, one can increase or decrease the font size of the sum profit. Moreover, the color can also be changed. Do you require text wrapping? If this sentence is big, activate sum of profit. Now let's try to decrease sum of profit. See, now it will get adjusted, right? Activate the background, click on. So the background is in black. We don't require the background. If you want to activate the background and if it is not visible, you increase the transparency. Yeah, fine. Done. Plot the area background, browse. So we will attach the image file here. Done. And if we don't require the series label, off it. So this was a visual setting. Now we will go in general setting. Click on back to report. Click on properties. When I increase or decrease this number, see, the height will increase. The width will increase. Position. This, if I increase this number, the chart will shift on right hand side. If I increase this number, the chart will shift. The entire chart will shift towards the bottom. Padding. Now, if I increase this number, the inner chart, this one, the inner portion, will shift on right hand side. If I increase this number, it will shift on left hand side. If I increase this number, it will shift bottom. If I increase this number, it will shift on top. Title. So this is sum of sales and sum of profit written. I don't want this. I only want sales and profit. See the changes. Moreover, I can make it bold, italic. The text color can be changed. Do I require a background? Let's select a background. Light background. Horizontal adjustment, yes. Now see what actually is a text to wrap. If I off it, now the title will appear in a single line. If I on it, the text wrapping will be done. Do we require subtitles? Yes, on it and write down the subtitles. You can change its font type, size, color, everything can be changed. Divider, on it. So this is the black divider. If I want to change the color of this divider, it's a solid line. Let's make it dash, increase its width. See, this is the divider. Now, do I require more space between the title and the chart? So if I increase this number, see the white portion is increasing. Effects, background. Let's select a lighter background. Done. Increase the transparency. Do we require the visual borders? Yes. Which color? Let's select the color, yellow. Shadow. Do I require the rounded corners? Yes. So the border is of yellow color and it is rounded. Let's check it. Yes. Again, click here, general, title, effects, border is done, shadow is done. Yeah, we will have to activate the shadow. It was left out. Black color shadow, outside, bottom right. Let's take it on top left. See, top left. Header icons. So this is for filters on visuals, focus mode, and more options. So if I change this color, see what happens. Dark color, border, black color, icons, yellow. If you want to change it, otherwise reset to default. Make sure all the icons are on. All the icons are on. Now click on this three dots. Expand all categories. All categories will expand. Click again on three dots. Collapse all categories. All the categories will collapse. Activate the focus mode. Your chart is ready. Now click here. Export the data. So the data can be exported in the CSV format. Again click here. Show as table. You can change the layout from here. Switch to vertical layout. Again click here. Sort small multiples. So if I select any variable, ascending and descending will be done automatically. Sum of profit, done. Now if I want to change to ascending, just click here, sum of profit, ascending. Sort axis, category, ascending and descending will be done automatically. Sort legend, segment. Now in segment, if I want to change it and I want to make it ascending, click here and it will be now ascending. So this was all about line and clustered column chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.